Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on subscriptions with Netflix, detailed guide step by step clearly. To save on subscriptions with Netflix, begin by evaluating your current plan. Visit the Netflix website or app and log into your account. Navigate to the account section to see your subscription details. Consider whether you need the full HD or Ultra HD quality. If not, switching to a basic plan can significantly reduce costs. Take advantage of the option to share your account with family members. Communicate with friends or family members who might want to share a plan. Ensure everyone understands the viewing limits and guidelines. Next, explore promo offers and free trials from Netflix. Keep an eye out for any promotions or discounts available in your region. Be mindful of any special student or bundle offers that may apply. Also consider using gift cards for your subscriptions. Purchase Netflix gift cards to manage your spending better. This strategy allows you to budget monthly for your entertainment. If you have multiple streaming services, review your subscriptions collectively. Identify any services you rarely use and consider cutting them. Evaluate the content on Netflix versus other platforms. Choose to prioritize the one that offers the best value for your interests. Lastly, adjust your viewing habits to minimize costs. Watch shows and movies during your subscription month to optimize usage. If you find you're not watching enough, pause or cancel your subscription. By implementing these strategies, you can save money while enjoying Netflix. Stay informed about any changes in Netflix plans or subscription prices. Regularly reassess your viewing needs to ensure you are getting the best deal. These steps will help you maximize your entertainment experience without overspending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.